Good morning, everyone. This is also the most beautiful among the flowers used in perfume. That is orchids. Mirdan pulo Karbi penke. Jo lain tha. Theklok pen tak kilaining sampik. Lapen non ki kipa puchi repor lo. Actually Mars ending lo plote. Lasi a video bang like bom tha. Nili Ethe Theni Mirdan mate orchids Aputhak. Nang paklang panig na. De.
For orchids, in scientific name, it's called Orchidaceae. Scientific name ben ke Orchidaceae possible. There are more than 20,000 of species in the world. Pirthea danglong suring koi ansusi Mirdan ajaddo. Basically, their natural habitat, they attach themselves to the bark of trees or the surface of other plants.
Atum kaprek arong along mate thimpi arong along cipa ok tun pensi kering.
तो फोटा ब्लैक ब्लैक दुखे तुम मजा है ना तुम्हें बाहर वो लोग ना फन के
The orchids family or Orchidaceae are the largest family of angiosperm or flowering plant in the world. Latum angkur Jirpi kangjang, thengpi arong along, water lapen nutrients ke absorb jiapan. The uses of orchids are perfume and medicinal. Medicinal purpose that can help to treat cancer, strengthen the immune system, and improve the eyesight. Orchids can live decades by typically after around 15 to 20 years. Latu mache the mate lifespan ningkan krep ho kalite ningkan ingkoi an do. They used to bloom basically in March ending. Latum March ending husi ke papu dundun. Lapen latum ningkan sipen patai sibet si ke papu dun.
Robin sige. Odong he. Depan. Cepat. Kita bu. Amit sama kan saya.